Friends, we shall continue exercise number 1.3. We have stopped at fourth question. Third question we have completed. Fourth question we need to do. Now in the first main they have said that find the sum of these terms in AP. So 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 dash 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 up to 11 terms. Now let me take the first term A, that is 1 by 15. Then common difference. What is the common difference formula? D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Now if the denominators we have 12 and 15. Now what is the LCM of these denominators? The LCM for 12 and 15 is 60. 12 can divide 60 for 5 times. So 5 ones is 5 minus 15 4 is 60. 4 ones is 4. So what is the difference? It is 1 by 60. Isn't it? It is the common difference between the terms. Now n is equal to 11. So we need to find sum of first 11 terms, S11. So what is the formula to find Sn of any AP? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many times you say and you write, so you will be used to it. Okay, so don't hesitate to repeat the formula. Okay, so S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 into what is the value of a? It's 1 by 15 plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1 into what is the difference? D, 1 by 60. So S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 15 is 2 by 15 plus 10 into 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 by 60 is 10 by 60. It's nothing but 1 by 6, isn't it? So now S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into now 2 by 15 and 1 by 6. LCM is for 15 and 6 LCM is 30, isn't it? 15 2s are 15 2s is 30, 2 2s is 4 plus 6 5s are, isn't it? 6 5s is 30, 5 1s is 5. Now what did we get? S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 9 by 30, isn't it? See, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 30. If you simplify this, 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30. So what did we get? 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. It is 33 by 11 3s are 33. 2 10s are 20. So sum of first 11 terms of the above AP 1 by 15, 1 by 12 and 1 by 10 up to 11 terms is 33 by 20. So that is your S11. So now we shall move to the next particular question. Okay, so that is now the second main. What is the second main question? It says, see, let us see it here and take it down. See, find the sums of the given below. Find the sums of the given below. 7 plus 10 by 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash 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 plus 84. Okay, 7. Find the sums of given below. Find the sum of given. Okay, so 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash dash up to means 84 is the last term. So up to this we need to find the sum. See, what is the difference between the question from the first main to the question second main question? See, there they used to give up to 10 terms. That means up to 10 terms of the progression we need to find the sum. But here they are giving the last term itself. Okay, that means 84. We don't know which term is 84 here. So that is the additional responsibility on us. Now we need to find what is n first. Okay, then I need to find the sum of all these terms. So without knowing n, I can't find the sum, isn't it? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 84ರವರೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದ ಹೊರತು ನಾನು ಈ ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತನ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ದತ್ತಾಂಶ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಡೇಟಾ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. a is equal to 7. now d difference is equal to a2 minus a1, isn't it? then it is 10 1 by 2 minus 7, it's 3 1 by 2. see, very easy general calculation. 10 1 by 2 10 minus 7, that is 3 and half, 3 1 by 2, it is nothing but 7 by 2 is the common difference. Okay, then what is an? The nth term is 84. The nth term is 84. So now we need to find first what is the n, what is the value of n, how many terms are there. So which term is 84, that is what we need to find now. So we need to find n. So let us take an formula. what is an? General term of AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 84 is equal to a 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2, isn't it? So 84 is equal to 7 plus 7n by 2 minus 7 by 2. When you multiply 7 by 2 into n is 7n by 2, minus 1 into 7 by 2 is minus 7 by 2. Now 84 is equal to, now 7 minus 7 by 2. See, 7 by 2 is nothing but 3 and a half. 7 minus 3 and a half, 7 minus 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಹೌದಾ, 3 ತಾನೆ 7. ಸೊ 7 minus 7 by 2, 7 minus 7 by 2 is 7 by 2. Okay, plus 7n by 2. now the denominators are same. 84 is equal to same denominator, add the numerator, 7 plus 7n. Transfer this. Now it becomes 84 into 2 is equal to 7 plus 7n. Then what is 84 2s are? It is 168 is equal to 7 plus 7n. Now 7n is equal to 168 minus 7. So if you transfer this plus 7, that becomes minus 7. So n is equal to 161, isn't it? 168 minus 7 is 161 by 7. So n is equal to, see, 7 ones are 7 2s are 14, 7 2 remains 21, 7 3s are 21. So n is equal to 23. That means there are 23 terms in this AP. There are 23 terms in this AP till 84. So now I need to find S23, sum of the given, isn't it? Sum of the given up to 23 terms, I need to find the sum. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l or a plus an I can use. Why? See, do you remember yesterday I taught you a formula. When the last term is known, you can use this simple formula. It may take time to find n here, but the resultant will be very easy. Means it results to the easy calculation. Now we know the last term. I can use this simple formula. Instead of Sn is equal to n by 2 to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, such a lengthy formula, it has been shortened now as we know the last term. So S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into, what is a? A means 7 plus, what is an? 84. See, 84. A is 7, an is 84. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So that is what I will be, quite often I will be discussing with you people in each part of the video, that make sure that you have watched the previous one before you could see this. So there we have discussed that how this formula we get when the last term is known. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, 23 by 2 of 7 plus 84. Sum of 23 terms is equal to 23 by 2 into, so what is 7 plus 84? 7 plus 84 is 91, isn't it? 7 plus 84 is 91. Then S23, sum of 23 terms is equal to, see, 91 into 23, 91 into 23 by 2. It is 91 into 23, 23 into 91. So 3, 2, then 9 3s are 27, carry 2, 9 2s are 18 plus 2, 20. So 3, 9, 0, 2. 2093 by 2. Isn't it? 2093 by 2. See once again, 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 9 3s are 27, carry 2, 9 2s are 18, 20. So 3902. So 2093 by 2. So S23 is equal to, now if you divide, it becomes 1046.5. Isn't it? See, 2 1s are, 2 zeros are, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So 1 is remaining, 10.5. So 146.5 will be the sum. Now let us move to the next question. Find the sum of the given. So the next question is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dash 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 plus 10. That means this 10 is your nth term. 10 is the nth term here. So let us collect the data. A is 34. Now D we need to find. A2 minus A1, that is 32 minus 34. Now D is equal to minus 2. What is D equal to? Minus 2. Now AN, nth term is 10. Okay, so let us find N first, then Sn. So without knowing the value of N, we can't find Sn. So that is for sure. So therefore, let us take An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the general term of any AP. So 10 is equal to A 34 plus N minus 1 into minus 2. Then 10 is equal to 34 plus into minus is minus 2n plus 2. So 10 is equal to 34 plus 2 is 36. 34 plus 2 is 36 minus 2n. Then now you transfer 2n that side, 10 this side. Then it becomes 2n minus 2n when it went other side. It became plus 2n. Now then plus 10 when it comes this side, it becomes minus 10. 36 minus 10. Then 2n is equal to 26. N is equal to 26 by 2. So n is equal to 13. So that means there are 13 terms. From 34 to 10 there are 13 terms. Now I need to find sum of the 13th term. Sum of 13 terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into which formula will you use? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d we need to use, or a plus an? Yes, a plus an is enough because nth term is known. Okay, a plus an because the last term is known. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 because Sn, n is 13. So 13, sum of 13 terms. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into a 34 plus what is an? 10. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 is 44. So 2 1s are 2 22s are. Now S13 is equal to 13 into 22. 13 2s are 26. So 6 carry 2. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 2, it is 28. Isn't it? S13 is sum of 13 terms of the above AP. 34 plus 32 plus 30 is 286. 286. If you add all this, you will get 286. 13 2s are 26. Carry 2. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 2, it's 28. So 286. So that is your S13. Now continuing with the next, let us see the next question. After finding S13 is equal to 86, so we shall move to the next question of the same main. Find the sum of. Okay. Now here 5 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 11 plus dash 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 plus of minus 230. So we need to find the sum of all these. So let us take the data. A is equal to minus 5. Now D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is minus 8 minus of minus 5, that is minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. So what is the difference? Difference is minus 3. Now what is nth term? That is your an minus 230. So without finding n, we can't find sum of n terms. Then Sn we need to find, isn't it? So let us find the value of n first using an. So what is an in an AP? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so minus 230 is equal to a minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d, it's minus 3. Then minus 230 is equal to minus 5. Okay, plus into minus is minus 3n plus 3. Then minus 230 is equal to minus 2 minus 3n. See, plus 5, sorry, minus 5 plus 3. Unlike signs, subtract. Minus 2, retain the greater number sign. Now transfer. Minus 230 plus 2 is equal to minus 3n. What is minus 230 plus 2? It's minus 228 is equal to minus 3n. So n cannot be negative because n is a natural number. It shows the position of a term. So n is equal to, so minus minus cancel, n is equal to 228 by 3. See, 3 1s are 3 7s are. Okay, 3 7s are how much? 21. 1 remains 18. 3 6 are 18. So n is equal to 76. That means from minus 5, okay, minus 8, minus 11, if you continue till minus 230, there are 76 terms. So I need to find the sum of all these 76 terms now. So that is your S76. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So the easy formula, because the nth term is known. Nth term gottide. So S76 is equal to 76 by 2 into what is a? Minus 5 plus of minus 230. Okay, then S76 is equal to, what is 76 by 2? It's 38 into minus 5 plus into minus is minus 230. Then S76 is equal to 38 into minus 5 minus 230. Like signs, add them. Minus 235. Now minus 235 into 38. Let us multiply. 8 5s are 40, 0 4 carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28 carry 2. 8 2s are 16, 2, 18. Then let us leave a place. 5 3s are 15, carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Isn't it? Then let us add this. Then 0, 8 plus 5 is 12, sorry 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry 1, 9, 8, 8,930, but minus, isn't it? So S76 is equal to minus 8,930. So let's move to the next main, third main. In an AP, given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is 50, find N and Sn. See, here directly they are giving some data themselves and we need to find N and Sn. It is easy. Now using this N, AN, I can find N. Okay, so let us take AN of AP. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then it is 50 is equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into 3. Then 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. 50 is equal to 2 plus 3n. 3n is equal to 50 minus 2. N is equal to 48 by 3. N is equal to, see, 3 1s are, 3 6s are. N is equal to 16. Then Sn. Sn here it is S16. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an we can use. It is not required to use 2a plus n minus 1 into d because last term is known. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50. Isn't it? See the data. A is 5 and an is 50. Then S16 is equal to 8 into, see, 2 1s are, 2 8s are, into 55. Then S16, sum of 16 terms is 8 5s are 40, 0 4 carry, 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44. So a sum of 16 terms is 440. So let us see the next question. So the same way they have given a here, a13, find the difference. See, we know that we can find difference using AP minus AQ by P minus Q formula or by simultaneous linear equation method. D is equal to 35 minus 7 by, see, if I take AP as 35, P should be 13 minus AQ as 7, Q should be 1 because A is 7. The value of N is 1 here. Then D is equal to, what is 35 minus 7 is 35 minus 7 is 28 by, okay, 12. So D is equal to, what is 35 minus 7? It's 28. Then 13 minus 1 is 12. So if you simplify this, then you will get 2 6 are, okay, 3, if we can divide, it is divisible by 3, 7 by 4. So what is the difference? 7 by 4. Then I can find S13. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into A plus AN. Okay, that is 7 plus 35. Okay, then S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into, what is 7 plus 35? It is 42. 2 1s are, 2 21s are. S13 is equal to 13 1s is 13, carry 1, 13 2s is 26, 26 plus 1 is 27. So S13 is 273. So in that way, what they have asked, we have found it. Okay, with this we have found this. One minor correction. Here it should be 7 3s, 7 by 3. Enough for today.